what I'm talking about? I'm cooking the fish. Wish me luck. Family that cooks together, stays together. Hey travel lovers, welcome back to A Wanderlust for Life here on YouTube, the channel that shows you European gems through food and memorable experiences. Today we are in Taormina, Sicily, and we have partnered up with Sicily Activities to take a cooking class here in the city. Our chef guide Giovanni is going to take us to the market, and then we're gonna learn how to cook. So let's get into it. It was just a quick but beautiful walk to the local market where we learned more about the local fish, meats, and cheeses that were available for anybody to shop for. And we were also given a lovely tasting tray to try on our walk back before we got started cooking. Our first cooking class task is bread shaping. We used some pre-made dough and got really creative with our designs, and the coolest part was we got to use a real pizza oven with real fire. How cool is that?
It's gonna be a face.
Oh, I didn't even notice. Well, with 3 eyes, maybe.
Here's your braid.
Woohoo! Oh, that looks good. I made that. Some of that.
Because it comes every year.
No, not the elephant. We just made a bunch of different shapes with the bread, so we got super creative, and I was very proud of my braid, but that was about as creative as I got. Now we are making macaroni, but we don't have a recipe for this, right? No recipe.
Semolina
This
flour.
is a semolina flour.
Durum wheat. Typical in South Italy and typical flour in this area, okay?
And then we just add water until it's dry-ish.
Yes, no way.
So that's the goal, is to make macaroni without a recipe.
Fine. What? Please?
Just
Mix.
Oh.
Start by.
Okay, see, mix slowly.
Ah, I interrupted.
Yes, welcome in Sicily, look there. Well, no, okay.
Gotta be strong. I think we did a pretty darn good job with that pasta. I was actually pretty good at it where I'm normally not. And our bread is now out of the oven. We finished up with the pasta for now. We're having some little bites like cheeses, meats, and wine, of course. But look at our bread, oh my gosh. And he covered it with like garlic oil, olive oil, and oregano. It smells amazing. And I just have to say, like, this cooking class so far has been awesome because Giovanni has been so amazing, and I just love all of his stories. And it's just, I think, like, the personality makes the cooking class and not just what you do. That part's been fun too, but I don't know, I'm all about the ambiance, the whole experience, so that's been really nice. Now I'm just gonna try this bread. I know you heard that crunch. But it's so good.
If you have a small one, it's ready.
I'm cooking the fish. Wish me luck. So we just prepared the fish. That was me making a salt dome over top of a fish. That's in the oven, so while we wait for that, eggplant lasagna is what we're making. So we have tomato sauce, basil, eggplant, mozzarella, and Parmesan, which is not typical to Sicily, but it's really good Parmesan, so that's what we're gonna use today. That you can tell there's a lot of different elements going on this entire meal. So we're gonna get into this so we can get this prepped and ready to go. Now we're making swordfish, almost kebab type things. It's camouflaged in the breadcrumbs. And then I'm gonna make it one shape and roll it up. So we have a plate full of anchovies here, and we're making kind of this anchovy sandwich. So I mixed up breadcrumbs with egg, pine nuts, tomatoes, and raisins. And then you get this sticky thing, and then you put it in the middle of the anchovies, and you make an anchovy sandwich. I'm really curious about this. And then we have, these are lemon leaves, and then we put it on the lemon leaves, and then these are gonna get grilled like this. So this cooking class is in the restaurant, so at this point I feel like I'm doing a dinner and a show, and you're making so many courses. There's so much food going on here. A family that cooks together, stays together.
That travels in those cooking classes.
That travels in those cooking classes together. Yeah, that's what I'm talking about. Stuffed zucchini flowers. This is gonna be amazing, and they're stuffed with like a lower moisture ricotta this time, so I'm excited. I made a really thick crust. I get to try the cheek of the fish. It's tiny. Ooh, very fishy, but in a good way. The pasta. So we made these macaroni, and basically you roll it around a toothpick kind of thing. So they're hollow in the middle. And I give the fried zucchini flowers stuffed with ricotta a try. This batter was super thin, so it was just enough to give it like a little crunch. So it's still a little like a flour, so you get that greenness, and then the crunch is really nice from the batter and the fried part, and the cheese is just so nice. It's just such a nice little snack. I'm not gonna taste test everything for you because we know it's all gonna be good, and that would just be boring. But this has been so much fun to make all of this, to meet Giovanni. It was just so many laughs. I really, really, really enjoyed it. We'll finish up, check back in after the end, and we'll see you then. The eating part wasn't that exciting, especially as much as the cooking part was, so you didn't miss anything, but that was so much fun. Giovanni's energy is just so infectious. Highly, highly recommend this cooking class if you're in the Catania or Taormina area, and if you're planning time around here, definitely look at Sicily Activities because there's so many amazing things to do, and their whole thing is about creating memorable experiences. That's what we're all about, so definitely check them out for a one-day trip, multi-day trip. There's so many possibilities. Well, if you like this video, please go ahead and give it a like, subscribe if you haven't already, and we will see you in the next video. Ciao for now.